Next concept is dipole. What is a dipole? Dipole is a pair of equal and unlike charges separated by a small distance is called a dipole. Okay, this is one charge, say plus q. This is another charge, minus q. They are equal and unlike. Equal and unlike charges separated by a small distance is called a dipole. This entire system is called dipole. See, in dipole, this charge and this charge do not act independently. They are together now. That is the meaning. So, in case of dipole, all the distances can be measured from center of the dipole. You should not measure from any one of the charges. You should measure from the center. So, O is the center of the dipole. So, I need to measure all the distances from O. Okay, so now if I take here to here is A length, this is also A. So, length of the dipole is 2A. Okay, this is dipole. The line joining the two charges is called dipole axis. This is called dipole axis. Okay, next, the line passing through the center of the dipole and parallel to dipole axis is called axial line. This is axial line. Okay. Axis passing through center of the dipole and perpendicular to dipole axis is called equatorial line. Equatorial line. Okay. See, if this is a single system, it can be called as a dipole. Then net charge of the dipole. Net charge of the dipole is how much? 0. Net charge is 0. Okay. The electrical effect of this dipole can be studied with the help of one physical quantity that is called dipole moment. Dipole moment. What is a dipole moment? We'll see now. Okay, dipole moment. Dipole moment is denoted with a letter P. It is denoted with a letter P. See, you remember, this is very important. Dipole moment is always acts from negative charge to positive charge. It is always correct. Always the direction of dipole moment you must represent from negative charge to positive charge. So, this is the dipole moment. Dipole moment is the product of one of the charge or magnitude of the charge into dipole length. Dipole moment is the product of magnitude of one charge and its length. That is called dipole moment. Here you see, dipole moment is a vector quantity. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. So, vector notation of dipole moment can be represented as P bar is equal to, we know Q is called charge, that is scalar we know. Distance between the two charges should be a vector quantity. So, that means distance between the two charges 2A is a straight line joining. This is important, that is displacement. So, 2A bar. So, P bar is equal to Q into 2A bar. Okay, dipole moment. Next, I would like to write SI unit of dipole moment. See, charge SI unit is coulomb. 2A is a distance. Distance unit is meter. So, coulomb meter is SI unit. CGS unit, electrostatic unit for charge, and centimeters per distance. So, electrostatic unit and centimeter is called CGS unit of dipole moment. If you want to write a dimensional formula, charge dimensional formula already we have learned. So, that is AT. Okay, charge I'll write from IT. IT it, formula is AT at. Okay. Next, this is distance. Distance is a fundamental physical quantity. So its dimensional formula is L. So that's why AT into L is the dimensional formula. Standard representation is M power 0, L power 1, T power 1, A power 1. This is the dimensional formula for dipole moment.